And I have a question for you. I like we doing it. Hence, principal quantum number. Well, the thing is, right, they use it in tests sometimes. So it's just good to know the vocabulary. So, for example, for the atomic emission and atomic absorption spectra, they ask you why the line's in the same place for the same chemical. And it's because they have the same energy, right? And it's individual. So the term is energy is quantized for each atom. And it's not directly using principal quantum number, but it's just a vocabulary. And sometimes they will use just the principal quantum number. It's just better to know than not to know. Like, for example, there was a biology test, did a biology paper, it asked what compartment of sunlight is most likely to trigger lupus, and which component would it be? And it was UV light, and it was a skin rash. In biology, we don't learn about the components of sunlight. It's literally not in the spec. I only knew that answer because of chemistry. So it's like, if someone is to just know more, it's, they showed you the marking and everything. They showed you the marking and everything. Yeah. Hey, for biology, like, bro, you gotta show me the paper, bro. Bro, you got it. No, bro, send it to me, send it to me. And then, yeah, because then we can organize a session where I'll walk through the paper, well, we walk through the paper together. Okay. But the thing, well, you know what's dumb as me? I sent an email to the wrong email address. Yeah, I never got my turn. How fast did they respond to you? How fast did they respond? What do you mean the teachers are on holiday? Bro, you applying for the normal thing. Yeah, that makes sense. Maybe I won't. I promise you, I won't scroll. Let me just check. That should be worth 0 marks, bro. It's so easy. People complain about grade boundaries. Yeah, because that question was in there. That's such a good. That was guaranteed 5 marks for everyone, bro. At least you went through the paper and like you know where you're at. That's good. Oh, okay. Huh? I want better. Yeah, I don't think you will be that now. Still got an entire year ahead of me. Yeah, but there's like a gap in these things. I'm already a bit further ahead. Oh, how is getting with how? Huh? She's going off to uni though. This guy. No, I'll be able to study in the uni library there at least. Like going in with doesn't mean I can't just walk in the library. I'll just tell them I'll go to Oxford and they'll let me in. I'm just saying, bro. Al's got me revising. Al's got me revising, bro. I don't think she's a positive influence on my life. Yes, she is, bro. No comment, no comment. But she's got me revising. Nah, she didn't get nothing like that. I'm just saying she's got me revising. What's you've never kissed a golden? You've never kissed a golden. But even if you did, yeah, at least my one was with Tao, the hottest girl in Cirencester. Yes, really, hottest girl in Swindon, to be fair. Hottest girl in the world, to be fair. Huh? Okay, show me these imaginary people that don't exist. That don't compare to Tao. Hey, show me them, bro. What are you laughing at? Also, you do realise, right? There's homework to do for chemistry. All the depth papers. 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, 2022. So I'll just let you know. So if you're rejoining, then I want you to do that. And in biology, they got some as well, but I don't know which ones. Okay, but where's this girls then? Yeah, I just put mine in. I just put mine in. But where's these girls in, man? It's like a PDF paper. Wait, let's go science to college. Nah, she's stopped. She's just literally you just compared Izzy to Tao. It's literally not even a comparison, bro. I do know her. I gave her a lift to places before. Not even nowhere near the same level, bro. Bro, nah, just don't go on her Tao's Instagram, bro. And then put that side by side with Izzy. Oh my lord, it's not even a comparison, bro. It's What's on her story? Bro, she's not checked. Bro, she has 2,800 followers. Do you think she's looking? Let me see. Nah, it's a hotel. No, bro, what plate? Nah, whatever you say, boss, whatever you say. I'm just saying, bro, she is m- miles higher than Izzy. It's literally, it's not running it. No, bro, you just pulled up someone that's like several grades down from Howard. Even Sadie's more attractive than Izzy, bro. She is pretty hot. She is pretty hot, but I don't think she's not on Tao's level yet. Not on Tao's level. No, bro. No, bro. She's not on Tao's level. She's just not on Tao's level. It's, it's more attractive. Yeah. Maybe if you show me a picture of me, bitch. No, there's literally no comparison there. I'm not busy. No, I'm not. I literally, there's a group chat. You can, okay, I'm, that'll say 9% Photoshop. I can't. That is pretty, yeah, but what year was that though? Because she's changed. No, the one from before that. Exactly. No, she's not like that now. What about now? In this current moment, Tao's better than her. And if man's gonna put up any person more attractive than Tao is probably Dorothy on Instagram. There's about four different Scarlets. I haven't seen in ages to be fair. No, Scarlett's nice, but she's not hot like Tao. I'm gonna do my work now, but you can keep finding women less attractive than Tao, and then calling it a day. Call it a day. I'm not biased. There's a reason why 2,800 people followed Tao. I'm just saying. There's a re- I've seen the deer and the spirit, and I'm just saying, are they gonna go to the most attractive person or not the most attractive person? I'm just saying, though, if we just talk about who goes to the most, it's that. Give me your phone. You're barely too much. Give me your phone. Give your phone. It's nice to be there. Our college. I told you, man. Just attending the government and what was possible. It's not her. That wasn't her, but it's someone else. She had glasses in. I need a shirt with a line. I need a shirt with a line. Let me know when you want to go on the break. Study break. Yes, there is. And then I'm gonna come back and do more. Hmm? Hmm? Okay, after I do the flashcards and some questions on the paper. Where's the question? Okay, what's the answer for this? Come on. Down a creek. You know what ionization energy is? No, it doesn't say. Do you know what ionization energy is? Hey, man, I was saying it was. Something in my nose. There's something in my nose. What do you mean, no? That was. It's just itchy, right? Okay, ionization energy is the energy. What was the need to cut me off to say the need is good be? It's the energy to remove 1 mole of electrons from 1 mole of a substance in a gaseous state. So why would it going down a group? What will happen? What is it then? De- increases. Why does it decrease? The thing is, right? Like it makes sense, but I don't think I'll get a mark in the exam because you'd say the larger atomic radius leads to a weaker forces of attraction between the outer shell, and the protons, and then you'd also say increased shielding from so there's more shielding. The shielding is the shells before like pushing those electrons away. So if you're going down a group, you're going down periods. So you have 1 shell, 2 shell, 3 shell, 4 shell. If there's 5,000 shells, is the shielding's gonna be pushing out on that last one a lot more. The shielding increases, so it pushes the out ones away. And then you say, therefore, requires less energy to remove. Think, oh, it turn off. Yeah, okay, so that is what said to an increased point radius, but you'd have to explain that, what reduces attraction. There's tons of questions where they ask why is there a perception or whatever. When you got them, come on. BI? Oh, that's brilliant, man. I just remember it as carbonate with a H. And a H means it decreases that by 1, so it'll be HCO3 minus. Oh, we know this. What's this called? It takes too long, we just skip it. It's a V shape. What's this? Okay. I think it's just flat hexagonal. Yeah. This one, from the browser, adjustments. Use. This is easy. It will be a pipette, and it'll be a graduated, no, it'll be a volumetric measuring or graduated pipette to try to 25 centimeters cubed of the solution with unknown concentration into a conical flask or a beaker. It has a volumetric flask. What the one that, bro, a volumetric flask is like that. A conical flask is like that. It's easier to swirl around in a conical flask. Right, that's a forgot. What's this? Come on, that's how easy it is. Okay, that's how easy it is. It should be easy because it's not even. Bruv, it's already here. This is where you can kind of use the flashcard to get, yeah, you've done this already, and they haven't. You can use the flashcard to get, yeah, it kind of gives it away. Barium ions. As it says here, with sulfate, it forms barium sulfate. Right. Honestly, these things, you think you would have to know them. I've seen so many 1, 2 markers based on just using barium ions to identify quite okay. And I've seen questions where like a 4 marker, you could get it without answering the one before, but it's a lot easier if you answered the one before. Okay, what's this? Well, but well, there's other flashcards this anyway, but a lot. Sometimes they say, how would you improve it? Volumetric, graduated, pipette, it'd be volumetric pipette, measuring pipette, calibrated pipette. Like full titration, maybe add to a beaker. Yes, anyway. Settings goes to the correct energy and oh, this is the spectra thing we're on about. It's promote, but that's pretty much the same thing. So I'd give that ions. Oops, my bad. You've been skipping gym, Mohammed. You've been skipping gym. I can tell, man. I'm a bit embarrassed, man. You see these? This means I haven't been skipping gym. Oh no, Mohammed. I got them halfway down my hand, man. Nah, bro, that's probably from like a paper cut or something, man. Yes, bro. But you see how, but like, if you really did this, you can go through this so fast. Well, actually, to be, of course, I'm gonna shake on that. I don't know. I'd rather you just give me like a loving girlfriend or something. You don't even have anything in the cards, bro. How to not be gay? There's just nothing. Oh, you don't know how not to be gay. So you haven't really been But this one, I'm gonna be honest, yeah, I looked at it. It's not really that good. Especially, I'm sorry, yeah. You're telling me all of A-level chemistry in what 700? No, yeah, 700 flashcards. Absolutely not. What you got to see. So I think that means you get some new flashcards, mate. Oh, that's even more stupid. But the thing is, right, because I think I've broken down my flashcard to be so simple anyone can use them. But some people, they like the idea of having as few flashcards. So then the stuff they do only really applies to them. Like it makes sense wise. Like for example, economics. I look at other people's flashcards. They are so good. Like all I was looking at chemistry flashcards for chemical industry. And you know, like the first order, zero order reactions. You don't really need that many flashcards for it. Like you got, okay, this is the graph for zero order. That's all you really need. And some people are making like 20 flashcards out of like a first order reaction. They're just going too far, man. What she used Anki. Oh my days, don't use physical cards. That's the most stupidest thing you could ever do. Also, I didn't get any stars, so I can't talk. So exactly, she didn't get any star, bro. Take it from the guy that was doing. Take it from the guy that got an A, 2 marks off the A star in his maths test, of my maths test, an A in biology, and well, to be fair, I got a B in chemistry, but you have to give it to me. I started it 3 weeks ago. Wait, she's still be in college? That sounds so dead. They do want that spending college, you know. I feel okay. So with your average, it'll take you 66,000 seconds to complete all these flashcards. Divide that into minutes. It would take you 18 hours. Well, that's what every person says. I'm the yeah, but you won't even give me your phone, bro. So I don't want to talk. Huh? Bro, I don't know your password. So you sort of go on it like a little boot crease. Bro, since I started doing your work for you, that's that. I have a keyboard and mouse. Well, the thing is, right, I had to buy an adapter because most of them, they're they're the rectangle one. And then, hmm? No, I got rid of that. But I use it because I have a TV that's like that big. But it's a monitor. And I plug it in. But I mainly only use it for when I'm well, when I'm doing papers, right? I can have the entire question paper up, the mark scheme up, the examiner's comments up, and ChatGPT all up on the same screen at once. But the screen's going to be the same size as this. But but you might as well just get a cheap big one because I know Amazon physical keyboard and mouse. Anyway, do this, and then I need to find somewhere to eat because I need a drink. chicken. She likes her those things. 2 flashcards. No boy, it's literally gonna take me like 5 minutes to do this. Destroy. What's the first thing you learn in chemistry? You can't destroy and you can't create. So carry on, what is it? Well, not really transfer. It's to remove. The energy required to remove 1 mole of electrons from 1 mole of a substance in a gaseous state. Most questions, they will all say in a gaseous state. Like no bond enthalpies, they're all from a gaseous state. Um, yeah, most things are in a gaseous state. I don't know why. Don't stop being zesty, little boy. Yet again, mate. One of us have got almost towel. One of us. He got higher grades than you, bro, in his courses. So sports studies. Not to be fair. Well, he is 18 now. Yeah, probably him. He works full time now. He has money from somewhere. It's like a hotel. That's what I know. Might be Diddy's hotel, bro. He might be doing something. Maybe it's not the. Hold on, let me search it up. I know it's on one of the electrons. Usually, when it says enthalpy, it means to remove something. Yeah, I'm right. Yeah, it's it. Yeah. Oh, it's to form 1 mole of gaseous ions. This is like, well, no shit. Because, yeah. Oh my days, it's been a big piece, bruv. Just need to check one thing that I'm done. I need to check one thing that I'm done. Come on, Kelly. Sorry, I was feeling a bit gangster.